Mga tanga! Mga ba? Sabay-sabay nga kayo. Ay no, tatlo, patay oh. Bobo. Tanga. Mahina ka kasi. Mahina ka kasi, bobo. Mahina. Bobo ka ba? Isa ba yun? Tanga ka ba? Tatlo yan oh. Bobo, tatlo yan oh. Ay no, yung nasa baba. Ay no, bobo. Ito po, yung makakit na tama.
Hindi tayo makita.
Ito, tanginan to, lumilipad. Bobo.
Like, new car, no more beef with kids. Like, I gotta get used to this shit. Like, in a vac, posted up with Blizz. I've been in your block, I gotta post a vid. Multiple times, y'all know how we get. Like, woke up, stand over and click. Niggas in my comments steady doing fits. I know why you mad, I probably fuck this bitch. Like, I'ma keep shit P. Like, new money take care in a week. Like, maneuver to play, I'm trying to secure it. That called mine and she let me beat. Like, baby, drop out, throw 15. Give him hell for keeping the peace. Headshot, I dare him to peek. If I got the dread, all my brothers eat. Like, that's how we give it up. Like, why you trying to beef your pup? No mask, throw a shot. You know it's us, boy, don't even front. Like, big body, my shit up, but I got 10. Why throw a punch? Like, she shot, but I know she can fuck. I pull some Henny, make her loosen up. Like, and they know who I am, Mr. Make It Happen. He not tough, why y'all tryna gas him? Nigga, A, got tight, he was lacking. You got boys, so GG to tap it. Y'all miss got shit in the package. Like, dickhead, he shoulda had it. Took L's, you got shit back from. Like, for Juju, we tryna get active. Push up, he tryna catch that beat. Like, do my trolls, sweep him off his feet. Don't ask why we dropping the wolf for the Ville for clout, is real life beef. Like, certain shit that y'all don't even know. And y'all don't wanna go toe to toe. Bad bitch, I'm on your fist now. I'm tryna see how you get on the low. Fuck the 5. Them niggas don't spin, them niggas do not play they block. Clip 06 and they got a beam. I was in stacks, push up, you get shot. On that back block, 7 deep during quarantine. COVID could've stopped us, only the 8. We on that front line, hang out windows tryna knock off tops. Like, new car, no more beef with kids. I gotta get used to this shit. Like, in a vac, posted up with Blizz. I've been in your block, I gotta post a vid. Multiple times, y'all know how we get. Like, woke up, stand over and click. Niggas in my comments steady throwing fits. I know why you mad, I probably fuck his bitch. Like, I'ma keep shit P. Like, new money take care in a week. Like, maneuver to play, I'm tryna secure it.